going on, everyone? Got a 2020 Kia Soul key fob here. Today I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery. You are going to need two tools. You're going to just need a small flathead screwdriver like this, and you will need a small, very small Phillips screwdriver like this, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is flip open the key, and we are going to remove the back panel we have right here. You can do that by using your flathead screwdriver and prying at the bottom panel here, just like this. Okay, just want to crack it up, pull it up, and take it off. Now this is where we need the Phillips screwdriver. Is we have 4 Phillips screws here we need to take out, and you're gonna need just a little micro Phillips. So we'll go through here and pull these out. So once you get the last one out, then you can just take this cover off. And then use your flathead screwdriver. And right here on the side, there's a little slot that you can pry at the battery, or you can use the top slot here. I think go after the top one, it's a little easier. And you can just pop the battery right out. I'll show you what size the battery is. The battery size is going to be a CR2032 battery. Positive sign facing out towards us. Now on the bottom of this remote, there's these metal contacts right here. We need to slide the battery down onto them and then pop it in like that, okay? It's a new battery. Then you just get your cover, stick it back on here, put your 4 screws back in and down. You just get the back cover and it just clips right back on. Snap, snap, close the key up, and you're good to go. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I appreciate it. Hit the like button for me and leave me a comment if you could, and I hope to see you again in another video.